Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to better interpret your data on Excel. So I have some data points here that I just made up. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my data points. And then I'm going to go to conditional formatting, and I have a couple options of how I can interpret my data. So first I'm going to show you the color scales option, and I can choose any one of these gradients depending on the colors that I like. And the green gradient is going to show you where the high points are, whereas the red shows you the yellow points, and the yellow shows you the midpoints. This is a good way to interpret the trend of your data. So since the colors of the seeds and the red apple growth match, I can see that they followed a somewhat similar trend. However, green apples seem to have an inverse trend to red apples and seeds. And that was a little bit easier to visualize with the color gradient. I also have options of what color scales I like, so I can play with these and decide which one I think is the easiest to interpret or the nicest looking. Now I'm going to undo all of these color scales and I'm going to show you a different way on how to interpret your data. Personally, I like this option a little bit better. So I'm going to click on conditional formatting again and I'm going to go to data bars. And I have the option to have a gradient fill and a solid fill. There's no difference in how these two options will affect the display of your data. It's solely a decorative option on which decoration you like better. If you like the bars to appear like a gradient or if you like the bars to appear solid. What I like about the data bars is that I can visualize my data as a graph. So now I can clearly see that the seeds and red apples are positively correlated, whereas the green apples have an inverse relationship to seeds and red apples. I hope this was a good method for you, and I hope this helps you interpret your Excel data a little bit easier. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.